How are war crimes defined under international humanitarian law? Recent events have brought the topic of war crimes into sharp focus. With ongoing conflicts around the world, people are searching for clarity on how these serious violations are defined. Understanding the legal framework surrounding war crimes is essential for anyone wanting to grasp the current humanitarian issues. So, what exactly constitutes a war crime under international humanitarian law? War crimes are serious violations of the rules that govern armed conflict. These rules are designed to protect those who are not participating in hostilities, such as civilians and prisoners of war. The Geneva Conventions, established in 1949, along with their additional protocols, provide the primary legal framework for defining war crimes. Acts such as willful killing, torture, and inhuman treatment of civilians or prisoners of war fall under this definition. Unlawful deportation or transfer of civilians also qualifies as a war crime. Intentionally directing attacks against civilian populations or using civilians as human shields are additional examples. For instance, the unlawful deportation of civilians is a grave breach of the Fourth Geneva Convention. This act becomes even more serious when it is part of a widespread attack against civilians, potentially amounting to crimes against humanity. The laws of armed conflict requiring that parties distinguish between combatants and civilians. Attacks causing excessive harm to civilian life or property compared to the anticipated military advantage are also classified as war crimes. Intentionally targeting civilians or conducting indiscriminate attacks violates these principles. International humanitarian law applies not just to states but also to individuals, including members of armed forces. Individuals who carry out unlawful orders cannot claim immunity based on superior orders. They bear criminal responsibility for their actions. In essence, war crimes are defined as serious breaches of the rules that protect civilians during armed conflict. These include unlawful killings, torture, forced displacement, and attacks on civilian populations. Understanding these definitions is vital as the world continues to grapple with the realities of war and its impact on human rights.